How to verify Google Business Profile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can verify Google Business Profile. So without any further ado, let's get started. If your Google Business Profile is not verified yet, here is how you can do it. First of all, in your device, open up a browser and then type in Google Business Help Center. Once you search for it, get to this first link, that is Google Business Profile Help, and click on it. Now scroll down a bit and there you'll have an option that says Fix Verification Issue. Click on it. Now again under this page, scroll down and then click on Contact Us. Now under this page, if you have created a business profile, there you'll have a drop down box to select your account. So click on drop down box and select your account. Once you're done with that, now you have to tell the help that you need from the support center. So you can simply type in my business account is not verified yet. Now once you type in your issue, click on next. And then click on Can't Verify by email or phone, and then click on Next Step. And then click again on Next Step, and then click on Get Help with Verification. After that, you have to confirm your account. Once you confirm it, you will receive an email in your account and you have to follow some screen instructions to get help to verify your account. Or you will receive any kind of verification methods so that you can verify your Google Business account. So that's the way to contact to Google Business Profile Support and then to verify your account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.